Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Sophia from Katseye with this monster high look in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it black and then combine it with this one. You're going to make it only bangs and then you're going to make it black. And then this angel crown, you're going to adjust it like this and make it red. And then you're going to put on this top, make it red, and then you're going to make it metallic, and then this ribbon you're going to make it type 3 and then make it white and then adjust it like this to create vampire teeth. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the VIP room and put on this jellyfish skirt, make it red. And then I'm going to put on this skirt, make it this red color. Okay, and make it metallic. And then you're going to put on, you're going to put on this heels and then you're going to make it all white. Okay, make it all, make it all black. Sorry. Okay, and then the next one, go to the dressing room. And from here, I'm going to go to the Valentine update and put on this item, make it red, and then you're going to make it metallic. And then I'm going to put on this skirt and make it skirt only. And then you're going to make it the same red color for all the selection. And then we're going to make it metallic. Okay, I'm going to make it metallic for all the selection. And you're going to go to the pedal update and put on this heels. And then you're going to make it black. Okay, and then now it's done guys. And this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Sophia from Katseye in Dress to Impress. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And see you in the next video guys.